Welcome to Ricambi's video on how to replace the A pillar seal on a FIAT Spider 2000. That would be this seal right here. It's sandwiched between the windshield frame and this piece of metal that's riveted to the windshield frame, and on earlier cars it has 3 Phillips head screws. But over here has one rivet up here, and one down there, and looks like this one was replaced with a screw already. Okay, all the rivets are drilled out, and let's remove the metal part, and here's the old rubber. So here's the metal holder, and you always check condition, make sure it's not rusted. New ones are available, but if we can reuse the old one, this looks really good. That's the old seal. You can kind of see that it's coming apart a little bit. And these are the 2 new ones. This is for the driver's side, left side, and this is for the other side. And we can see that actually this can have the incorrect one installed. This is for the earlier Spiders, because the Spider 2000 is supposed to have this little top on it. It covers a sharp edge of the holder, and the earlier Spiders have a hard plastic piece that covers this, and then they have this kind of rubber. But the late Spiders don't have the hard plastic piece, so they need this to cover this sharp edge. Otherwise one can catch clothing or whatnot on it, getting in and out of the car. Okay, so I've put the rubber onto the metal holder, and I'm gonna use an awl to poke holes in the rubber so we can put rivets through. Before installation, I'm going to clean up this surface, and whatever works. This is kind of a Brillo pad kind of thing, but make sure there's no foreign materials on it. Before we begin the installation, we need to make sure that the rivets do fit in the holes. These are 1/8 inch rivets, but my guess is the original ones were metric. So let's just be sure that everything fits, and it's gonna, yep, it does fit. Okay. And I punched holes in the rubber where the holes are for the rivets in the metal. You can see that. And I used this awl. I just put the rubber next to the metal, lined it up, and pushed through, and that actually made very nice holes. So let's put it all on. Okay, so I have inserted the rivet in that part, and also at the bottom. Let's put this on. Insert the middle one as well. Second one is done. Last one. Make sure it's tight against the windshield frame. And here we go. Nice new rubber for our A-pillar seal. And then next we'll have to put in the door seal, weather stripping.